77? 277 or 377. So we that way or this way? Well, I think we've only got like 8.
3, 4, 5.
Ooh, that's the 5th one? Oh my God, and it's 12:47. Alright, yeah, I'm living with that.
Now we should be able to
What I say we had to have every hour was only 5 an hour at least would have us close to the 30 mark before we get out of here. Well, these ones up here should be a little quicker, hopefully. Huh? What? You laughing at me because I'm old? This will suck for the e-bike too.
At least it's not.
See it? Oh, one of them go around the corners. What the fuck is it? Oh, that's cool. Pencil or something. Good down there. I was about to throw it right down there on the ground. I'm like, what are you doing? So we're going to try to put a cache in it. It's going to stick out some. Huh? Old log. Well, we'll add one. So you always have the option to do that. Five. Let's go down 30.
probably animals.
Yeah.
Something with sharp teeth. Or holes right in it.
Raccoon. Opossum. We're going to M&M cookie. Regular. Last found 10/29/22. So these lost and found ones. Been a minute. Mm-hmm. You ate that shit before you left. Another one of these. No animal crackers. Surprised. I'm surprised. There's granola bars. Must have been Emma eating them. Yeah. So I told your mom, I said, have you noticed that they ain't going nowhere? I ate one today. They're not horrible. It's not my run to, it's got the urge for something. I ain't running to get a granola bar. I went for no, why you do that to you? $1.50. You think so? Out there fighting? Jumping fences too. Jars them loose. Whoa, that's a big ass tree down over there, isn't it? You see it? There's some. Nice.
want to grab me a replacement log.
Yeah.
On this side.
Gotcha. Now I see why you're not replacing all these other ones. Something better than nothing, right? There's one down in here. In the fucking bag still too. Like it. Huh?
That's gonna be like where mushrooms are.
Yeah. Well, they'd be literally up in here even, dude. Are we following a snake out of this motherfucker or what? The elf. Small. This one's number 8. Yeah. I believe it's the third one we've done since. We'll know when it's 10. Because actually you're going to deem it. Huh? So you're going to get one here. I'll probably get one the next one. Yeah. Yeah, I want to go. So you got 2 souvenirs? They'll tell you how many you are till the... No, so how you gonna know if you've got 100 caches? You have to look right now. Say 100 from that point.
Say, because you need, or does it reset after every?
Oh yeah.
So
I just did 100 from
90.
this.
You need 90 more.
All right. All right. I'll hear what you're saying. 80. Right on the trail, it looks like. The bus. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think she's too worried about cords when she's using geosynthesis. Oh, 133. Ow. Rake. Yeah, that one's one of them. I got you, man. It was laying out, huh?
You need a carrot?
No, I don't care it. So what, as we roll up, we grab this one, and then we dip back in and go get this.
Yeah, I would cut right through depending on how bad it is.
White chocolate cranberry cookie. Small, found same day as this one. You hide it different. Well, yeah.
I'm not laying it right on the ground.
Yeah.
That's what it is too.
Is that Sue? Whoa. Found you one? Yeah. Yeah, I don't see it through there. It's pretty good. Cruise through that shit here, so I'm walking around this one. 380. Which one you going to?
Huh? I just hit 300.
Oh. All right. So, you'll be hitting 1700 here in a few. You said 0.5? You didn't say